Ever feel like you know the words but your mind just goes blank? Or you start talking and it just doesn't sound right? You're not alone. Most English learners feel this. The hesitation, the fear, the self-doubt. But here's the truth. Confidence isn't a gift, it's a skill. And today, you're going to build it. With real English you can actually use. Welcome to Native English Practice, your daily place for real speaking practice. In this video, you'll hear a natural, real-life conversation with native-style English, full of everyday phrases and expressions. Then we'll dive into the most important part, shadowing practice. The fastest way to boost fluency, confidence, and clear pronunciation. It's simple, it's fun, and it works. Let's begin.
Hi there, welcome. Table for two?
Yes, please.
Great, right this way.
Finally! I'm starving. Starving. Feeling extremely hungry. Example. I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything since morning.
You always say that.
Because it's always true.
All right, let's look at the menu.
Too many choices. How do people decide?
By picking something and not overthinking.
That's impossible. Everything looks good.
Then close your eyes and point.
That's risky. I'll end up with salad.
Nothing wrong with salad.
Everything wrong with salad.
You're impossible.
Okay, hear me out. Burger or pasta?
Burger. Easy.
But pasta has extra cheese.
So order pasta.
But the burger has fries.
Jake, pick one.
I can't. This menu hates me.
You're dramatic.
You know I'm always like this.
Yep, indecisive Jake.
That's me.
Ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken sandwich. Dressing on the side, please.
On the side. Doing something in addition to your main work or activity. Example. He ordered fries on the side with his burger.
Sure thing. Anything else?
That's it for me, thanks.
And for you?
I'll take the cheeseburger.
How would you like it cooked?
Medium, please. And no onions.
No onions. Got it.
Actually, wait, hold on. Can I change that?
Here we go.
Yeah, sorry. I'll do the pasta instead. Extra cheese, please.
No problem. Pasta with extra cheese.
Classic Jake. Total change of heart.
Change of heart. When you change your feelings, opinion, or decision about something. Example, I was going to quit the job, but I had a change of heart and stayed. Hey, at least I decided.
After wasting 5 minutes.
Worth it.
You really are the most indecisive person I know.
I call it keeping my options open.
I call it making the waiter crazy.
He smiled. He's fine.
He smiled because it's his job.
True. But still, nice guy.
At least you didn't order salad.
Never happening.
We'll see one day.
So, did you hear about Chris?
Our Chris? From high school?
Yeah, he just started a new job.
Really? Doing what?
IT support.
Oh, wow. That suits him.
Totally. Remember how we always fixed our phones?
Yep, free tech help.
Now he gets paid for it.
Good for him.
Whoa, this plate is huge.
Mine too. Look at these fries.
I think my eyes are bigger than my stomach. Eyes bigger than your stomach. When you take more food than you can actually eat. Example. She filled her plate with so much food, clearly her eyes were bigger than her stomach.
Always.
How do people finish this?
Leftovers. Take it home.
Smart plan.
Or share with me.
Hands off my pasta.
Fine. More fries for me.
Deal.
This sandwich is so good.
This pasta is heaven. Extra cheese was the right move.
I told you.
Yeah, you were right. Don't tell anyone I admitted that.
Too late. I'm telling Chris.
Traitor.
Relax.
Yeah, feels good to just eat and talk.
No stress, no emails, just food.
And gossip. Don't forget gossip.
True. We need the gossip.
I got this.
No way. Give me that.
Too late. I'm paying.
Over my dead body.
Dramatic much?
Nope. I'm serious.
Why can't I treat you?
Because I said no.
Ugh, fine. We'll split the bill. Split the bill. When everyone pays their own share of the total cost. Example. We went to dinner and decided to split the bill equally.
Perfect. That's fair.
You're stubborn.
And you love it. Great. Now let's pay and get ice cream.
Best idea of the day.
Always.
All right, that's the full conversation. Now it's your turn to speak, not just listen. We'll do something called shadowing practice together. In this practice, you'll take the role of Maya. Her sentences will appear as text on the screen, and you'll say them out loud. Jake's sentences will play as audio, so it feels like you're really having a conversation with him. Try to pronounce the words the same way you hear them. Match the rhythm, the sound, even the little pauses. Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak, enjoy the rhythm, and imagine yourself truly in the moment. Ready? Let's start.
Hi there, welcome. Table for two? Great, right this way.
Finally! I'm starving. Because it's always true. Too many choices. How do people decide? That's impossible. Everything looks good. That's risky. I'll end up with salad. Everything wrong with salad. Okay, hear me out. Burger or pasta? But pasta has extra cheese. But the burger has fries. I can't. This menu hates me. You know I'm always like this. That's me.
Ready to order? Sure thing. Anything else? And for you?
I'll take the cheeseburger.
How would you like it cooked?
Medium, please. And no onions.
No onions. Got it.
Actually, wait, hold on. Can I change that? Yeah, sorry. I'll do the pasta instead. Extra cheese, please.
No problem. Pasta with extra cheese.
Hey, at least I decided. Worth it. I call it keeping my options open. He smiled. He's fine. True, but still, nice guy. Never happening. So, did you hear about Chris? Yeah, he just started a new job. IT support. Totally. Remember how he always fixed our phones? Now he gets paid for it. Whoa, this plate is huge. I think my eyes are bigger than my stomach. How do people finish this? Smart plan. Hands off my pasta. Deal. This pasta is heaven. Extra cheese was the right move. Yeah, you were right. Don't tell anyone I admitted that. Traitor. Yeah, feels good to just eat and talk. And gossip. Don't forget gossip. I got this. Too late. I'm paying. Dramatic much? Why can't I treat you? Ugh, fine. We'll split the bill. You're stubborn. Best idea of the day. Great work. You didn't just watch, you practiced. And that's exactly how you improve. Now it's your turn. Write a sentence using one of today's vocabulary words. Or pick your favorite phrase. I'll be reading all your comments and giving hearts to my favorites. And I'll pin the best one. And don't stop here. Click the next video right here for another real-life situation you can master today. See you there. Real English, real practice, real progress. Only with us.